Hello guys, welcome back. In the next lesson we create a function. Where is the function? It's getting too dirty. I don't like something like this. Let me close some of them. We create a function that saves the data and call it saving. Okay, now all we need is to call something from channel and then give it to our saving function. Let's try to do it. Before that, let's clean our database. Let me delete them for now to make here clean. Okay, we clean it. Let's go to our here. Let's go and create a for. Let me create a coding cell here. For x in, let's see what it gives us. For x in channel. No, let's see what channel for x in range. I think the range is 506. Okay, let's we have at first have some work to do with channel. Let's create a video. Let's create just a title because we have a lots of video. Title is equal to channel and video ID. Let's run it. Okay, what is the problem? Channel. We do something wrong. Okay, let's see what video ID give us. Title. It's the video ID's title 1 and it's callable. I want to some kind of know something. What is the type of title 1? I think we may have some problem with it. It's str, but we don't want the first part and the second part of title. I think. Let's run it again. Let me do some trick and see something I am very confused about. Let's here just put title 1 and see what happened. Okay, let's run it. The code is crashed. You know why? Because the title 1 is not right. If it's not tight, it's not right. Okay, let's go. I know what is the problem of title 1. We have to delete these two things from title 1. Okay, how we can delete things from a str? Let's call it, for example, s. How we can? Let's just search how we can delete a alphabets in Python from a word. Okay, how to remove character from the string? That is the thing we want. Replace. That's good. I think this is the what we want. It may be the answer. Okay, let me just copy that, go there, and say SH is equal replace these thing with this. Let's run it. Now let's create another cell. Where I go, create another cell. Okay, and zoom it back. Let's see what escape give us. Escape. It deleted nothing. Let's see if we do it solo what it gives us. Okay, it deleted the first one. Let's another time do the replace. Let me just call it S. Replace this thing, and we don't have any escape. Let's see what is the S. Okay, and another time delete this thing. Okay, I think some kind might have the answer. Okay, let's go up and see if it is working or not. Here, put the S. Oh, sorry. Put the S. I think the problem has been solved. Let me just give it time to run. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until tomorrow.